Yo traders, what's good? So if you're new, then welcome to the channel, but if you've subbed up, welcome back. Literally, this is what I'm looking at right now, and there's really no structure for me to put my support and resistance and my breakout lines. It's just looking bad. Do you know what I mean? So I don't know if this is one of them days that we shouldn't trade or what. Do you know what I mean? Because I was just looking as well, and for some reason price done this and then this. Well, I know what the reason is. Obviously to liquidate everybody, take everybody's stop losses and then drop, because there was no news event. There was literally no news event last night for this big massive move to happen. And if it was, then it wasn't on Forex Factory anyway. So yeah, don't know. But all I'm saying is the only place really, like, I just don't know. It's one of these things. I mean, there's imbalances and shit, so we could target these imbalances, but yeah, it's just really ugly. Really ugly. That's the point I'm making. So we got some resistance there, got some support there. So there's imbalances all up there. It's probably gonna want to be filled. But yeah, I'm not super psyched about today's price action. Just looks shit. So yeah, basically just posted these trade setups in the Discord, which is free. The link is in the description, but I let them know as well that today's markets are looking like shit. But there is these imbalances on the 15-minute time frame, so they could be filled, but you know, we'll see what happens on the 9:30 open now, or it could even break before. And I do get in on pre-breaks if the volume's there, because like I explained as well in the course that I got coming out, that fucking liquidity is like most of my breakouts. So the liquidity grabs, you know, which of these purple lines are my take profits. So literally, I don't mind being in and out on the liquidity grabs, because I'm literally trading with volume. I'm getting in and out. I know the risks. If I lose, I lose. Give myself a solid limit today, and that's it. But yeah, liquidity grabs, they are the fake outs. I don't really wait for official breaks. I'm just in and out. So we got like 2 minutes left. See what happens anyway. 10 seconds till the stock market's open in New York. Let's see what's good. No, a bit more volume. US30's pushing now. No noise today. My laptop must be muted. Usually there's that annoying little ding ding ding. Wow, fuck me. There was the noise I was talking about. That was late. Alright. Volatile, not in a good way. Still gonna hold. Scalpers, we try and cut our losses early, but you can't be too scared. But this is definitely close to, for me, closing. One of them days. Closing out. Right now, I can see this 15-minute candle just been really indecisive. I'm giving it one more shot with US30. I'm giving it a chance. These take profit levels. I'm sticking with US30. I'm gonna close the NASDAQ screen and just focus on US30. I take my drawings away. Why? Or are they just lagging today? Yeah, they've taken the drawings away. Lovely stuff. I pretty much know what was there anyway. It's literally just a breakout line. And yeah. I'm supporting resistance. So let's let this shit run. Maybe that's asking for too much. At least this ain't asking for too much. That's a decent TP. Either way, it's jumping. I'm really going to try and manage my risk now. This week's been a bit of a mad one. I'm just going to trust my gut and feel like I know where it's heading to, which is these TPs, which are just liquidity marked up on the chart. Yeah, that's what I want to see. Twerking on the entry. Hopefully this candle's just coming down to fill this little gap before coming back up and hitting these TPs. So basically it doesn't leave a little fair value gap. It just comes down, closes the gap. I feel like we just closed that gap. Now I just want to see it smash the TPs and I'll be done. No greed involved, just strategy. Just really filled that gap now. Now I need to see it get bullish real quick. Let's see how this next 5-minute candle acts. Seen this shit too many times. We're so close to these liquidity grabs now. They're like the chances of it not coming up to grab the liquidity before dropping. Honestly, market manipulation is so real. And if you let emotions get involved, then it's going to scare you. Fuck with you. But at the same time, you got to know when to cut your losses. Like, if you ain't comfortable with what you're seeing on the screen. Do you know what I mean? But don't be scared straight away. Because you got to understand, candles need to retrace. They need to get pullbacks. They need to leave wicks before they can carry on. Do you know what I mean? They don't just always go one way without retracing and all that stuff. Even though they do that quite a lot of the time you're gonna have to sit through the pullbacks to draw down the red before it goes green. Like, so the only way you can get used to that and feel for it is experience anyway. So you just got to keep going through it, but in the end you just become unscared and fearless and emotionless. But I truly do believe it's going to come and tap into my TP. And if it doesn't, then it doesn't. It's cool. I'll know when to cut my L, take my L and cut my losses. Because this is the stuff you can't get on bar replay mode. When you're backtesting on TradingView, you need to be on the charts with this live price action to see how the candles move, how they leave wicks, the volume. Do you know what I'm saying? Then you'll get the feeling for it, like the instinct. I can't explain it. You can't get that on bar replay mode by just going back and backtesting and seeing how they acted and closed. You need to see how they move. I've taken one TP. Is it going to hit that second one for me? 5 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Okay, I'm just going to close that for a sec. Oh, we tapped in. We took the first one. It looks to be pushing still. If we can tap into this second TP today. If it just gets there. 300. Starting to push now. That's what we want to see. How many minutes left? 1 minute. Still got a bit of time. It's still got a bit of time. Yeah, it's losing the power. I'm not fucking with it. It's taking too long.